Hey guys, Spencer here, and I'm back with part 0 of What If Kirito and Asuna were Deku's parents. Now, I'm going to explain what the Watchdogs part and how Yui is in the real world is in this part. So, Yui got brought to the real world by Deadsec, who had a repurposed cloning machine that they used both Kirito and Asuna's DNA to make Yui. Now, the head of this DedSec research team was Jackson Pierce. Jackson Pierce is the son of Aiden Pierce, the protagonist, not son, nephew of Aiden Pierce, the protagonist of Watch Dogs 1. Now, considering this is after the events of Watch Dogs Legion, there's teams of DedSec all around the world. So, yeah. So, Yui was brought into the real world by Kirito and Asuna's DNA, but also by DedSec's research team in Japan. And, yeah. You guys don't mind short videos like this, explaining my what-ifs, do you? If you do, give me a comment. If you don't mind it, also give me a comment letting me know, hey, this is great, do it again with some of your other what-ifs. And, yeah. Thank you all for watching. If you liked, give me a subscribe. If you really liked it, like it as well. And yeah. So, thank you all for watching. This has been Spencer. Peace.